here's the lower section of Grace Cole Nature Park. So I'm just gonna take a brief hike up the trail, which is right here. Now, according to the information that I got from the upper area, which isn't very long, it's just like a little observation area into the wetlands. I've always wondered, like, precisely what it is that you're observing, other than, you know, kind of the beauty of nature, which I guess is pretty much what it's all about. You kind of have this expectation that you're going to see something, like, amazing, or, you know, some animals are going to pop out, but that didn't happen. So I wasn't disappointed. I mean, after you've been on a few of these hikes, you're like, yeah, all right. I mean, you're out here to enjoy the wilderness is really what this is all about. Looks like there's 2 trails. This is a 14-acre park, so there's really not a lot to it. But anyways, what I mentioned earlier is I was looking for this right here, which is Brookside Creek. Because if you've watched my videos, you know that I love water. It's just really kind of one of the neater things about nature is the way that it sounds and looks. There are parking spots here for this park, and I don't imagine that there's probably a lot of people that come here. I mean, because there's not like a play area for kids or things of that nature here. It's not that kind of park. It's just literally a nature park. But that is a very nice creek. Alright, I'm going to go wander up this little bit of trail up here. And see where it goes. I mentioned this in the other video, but this park is kind of difficult to get to because there's one road that leads into it from the north side, and all other roads circle around it and don't access it. So there's just this one road, and you can get kind of lost trying to look for the park. There's another little trail over here. Alright. So this trail probably leads out to some residential areas. This whole area is surrounded by homes and houses and things like that. There's also some areas that haven't been used yet. They're waiting future development. They're like smaller acres than this particular park, which is 14. Anyway, that's the hike for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.